there is a type of worship that the Nabi sallallahu alayhi wasallam told us about its virtue. And he said, the one who says it, nothing, absolutely nothing will harm him. No fitan, no evil, no magic. The one who says it, تَكْفِيكَ مِن كُلِّ شَيْءٍ. It is sufficient for you from every single thing that is harmful and evil. The one who says it, it is obligatory upon Allah Azza wa Jal that He pleases this person. The one who says it, أُجِيرَ مِنَ الْجِنِّ حَتَّى يُصْبِحْ. The one who says it will be saved from al-jinn until the morning. The one who says it, فَقَدْ أَدَّى شُكْرَ يَوْمِهِ, has indeed thanked Allah Azza wa Jal that day. The one who says it, Allah Azza wa Jal would suffice him from all the worries he has of this life and of the afterlife. And the same worship, the one who says it, أَعْتَقَهُ اللَّهُ مِنَ النَّارِ, Allah Azza wa Jal would free him from the fire. And the same worship, he says it with certainty, and he dies, دَخَلَ الْجَنَّةِ, he enters the paradise. Allahu Akbar. And this same worship, whoever says it, he earns my intercession on the day of judgment. And this worship is indeed أذكار الصباح والمساء, the remembrance of the morning and in the evening. These adhkar are a daily dose that is to be taken twice a day. Every 12 hours, you're taking this dose. When Nawawi rahimahullah, he said, you should know that the biggest chapter in the books of adhkar is the chapter that discusses the morning and afternoon adhkar. And then he said, whoever is able to adhere to all of them, this is indeed a huge blessing from Allah Azza wa Jal. And if you're not able to read all of them, then at least some of them, and that is good as well. And if you're not able to read a few of them, then at least one of them. If you read one, you're considered from those who read Adhkar al-Sabah wal-Masa.